everyone! Today we'll be upgrading the infotainment screen of a Mercedes-Benz CLS. These are the tools we'll be using for the installation. Prepare them as needed. First, we remove the side panels on the passenger side. Then, unscrew the screws beneath the panel. Next, loosen the screws inside the glove compartment. Now, we loosen the two screws holding the original screen. Then, remove the original screen. Unplug the two connectors on the back. Next, we remove the panel of the air vents. Unplug the three connectors on the back. Pay special attention to the triangular clip on the left side of the air vent panel. It's particularly hard to remove. Remember this spot. Use a flathead screwdriver to carefully pry it open from beneath the panel. Then, remove the panel. Next, we remove the two screws holding the original head unit. Then, take out the original head unit. Unplug the side connectors. And unplug the power connector. Then, unplug the fiber optic cable. Next, loosen the four screws holding the original screen bracket. And remove it. Now we install the new screen bracket and the new base. Make sure to leave the LVDS connector and the white power connector accessible. We need to route the cables here and connect the speaker cable. Next, insert the original fiber optic cable into the back of the new power connector and plug the new power connector into the original head unit. Then, connect the black connector from the new power cable to the original head unit connector. Since the original system lacks aux output, we need this box. Connect the aux plug from the power cable to this box. Then, plug the other end into the car's USB port. The blue light should turn on. Reinstall the head unit. Connect the side connectors. Secure the two screws on top. Reconnect the three connectors to the air vent panel. Reinstall the air vents. As before, secure the screws for the glove compartment and the side screws. Reinstall the panel. Now, connect the blue LED and white power connectors to the back of the new screen. Remove the two clips from the original brackets. Attach them to the new base. Then, install the screen. Secure it with screws. The installation is complete. We need to configure the USB box. Go to the multimedia settings in the original system. Select USB AUX. Now, you can play music using the Android system with sound. Let's make a Bluetooth call to test if the steering wheel controls work. If it works, everything is fine. Supports door opening alerts and rear view cameras. Synchronizes real-time air conditioning data. Supports digital dashboards. Can watch local or online videos. You can install apps. Supports wireless Carplay and Android Auto. You can use the voice assistant to make calls, play music, use navigation, etc. That's all for this video. Thanks!